Hi, welcome to Prime Reflux. One plan to rule them all. Prime Reflux is a new generation, decentralized smart contract, built on the Binance Smart Chain. It is 100% unique, and a very high-paying compensation plan. To avoid the volatility of the crypto market, Prime Reflux runs on the stablecoin BUSD. The compensation plan has been created by mathematical geniuses in collaboration with crypto experts, to create the ultimate money-making machine for all. The key features of Prime Reflux are: it is completely autonomous as it works on smart contract technology. It is completely anonymous. It is 100% transparent as all the transactions are visible on the blockchain. It is 100% decentralized and safe as smart contracts are immutable once deployed. And, most importantly, 100% of the amounts received are distributed in the community as incentives. Only 2% withdrawal fees is levied to keep the contract running independently. Some more highlights of Prime Reflux are: it is an ingenious hybrid of working and non-working plans. Instant, permissionless payouts. Global platform without physical boundaries. No dilution of earnings like flushouts etc. Unique Reflux model harnesses the power of multiplication to generate humongous returns. No reinvestment required to progress and earn more and more. Registering and growing with Prime Reflux is pretty simple. Fund your wallet with BUSD on the Binance Smart Chain. Click on the affiliate link sent by your friend and link your wallet through the inbuilt app browser. Once you register, you can use your referral link to sponsor more people into the community. You should sponsor at least 2 people to be eligible for the Reflux pools. Now, let's take a look at the incomes offered by Prime Reflux. The first income is direct referral income. Each person who joins with your referral link earns you 50% as direct income, that is 15 BUSD, which is paid out immediately via smart contract. You can sponsor any number of direct partners to create multiple income streams. It is necessary that you sponsor 2 directs to be eligible for all the other incomes of Prime Reflux. The next income will make you huge money due to the power of leveraging. Each person joining in your 2nd to 11th generation will earn you 5% of 30 BUSD, that is 1.5 BUSD. Please note that 2 direct partners are necessary to activate this income. If you do not have 2 directs and this income is generated, the system will skip you and give the payout to the next immediate upline, who fulfills this condition. This is a small example to show the potential of the incomes we have discussed so far. As you can see, just by sponsoring 3 direct partners, and they duplicating the same, your potential income reaches more than $300,000. Great, isn't it? But, wait till you see what incomes are possible in the Refluxes, and that too with minimal efforts. Now, let's understand the Reflux auto pools. Refluxes are global auto pools on steroids, wherein you can multiply your crypto with just a fraction of contribution. Unlike other plans, no reinvestment is ever required to reach the top and make humongous amounts of money. The first Reflux is the standard Reflux, which has an entry fees of 30 BUSD, and the potential rewards are more than $30,000. It gets crazier, as with just 600 BUSD, you can enter the Prime Reflux, and the potential rewards are more than $750,000. Enter both Refluxes simultaneously and get a huge advantage to exit the Refluxes early. Please note, entry to Refluxes opens only when you have introduced 2 directs to the community. Let's understand how the Refluxes work. Let's see the working of the standard Reflux. As you can see, each Reflux in the standard Reflux starts with a counter of 5. As and when 5 people enter in any Reflux, the counter goes down to 0, and 1 person exits that Reflux with the reward for that Reflux. The exit rewards for standard Reflux are: Reflux 1, 30 BUSD, Reflux 2, 100 BUSD, Reflux 3, 400 BUSD plus, a free entry into Prime Reflux, Reflux 4, 1,500 BUSD, and the final Reflux 5, the exit reward is a whopping 30,000 BUSD. Let's understand this in more detail with Reflux entry and exit rules, and an example. Each ID entering the Reflux reduces the counter of the first Reflux by 1. Refluxes 2 to 5 are filled by people exiting from the earlier Reflux only. IDs entering the Reflux can be from any network across the world, thus making it a true global auto pool. Upon entry, each ID is timestamped, and in case of points being same, this timestamp is used to determine the ID exiting the Reflux. When the counter for any Reflux reaches 0, the person with the maximum points exits with the reward for that Reflux and the counter is reset to 5, and the cycle continues. IDs can accumulate points to exit the Refluxes quickly, but as soon as an ID exits the reflux, its points become 0, and the ID can reaccumulate points to go further. You can enter both refluxes simultaneously. In fact, entering both refluxes at the same time puts you way ahead of the competition, as you start generating bonus points in the system, which are reserved only for heavy hitters like you. Let's see the refluxes working with a small example. Let's say ID X is the first person to enter the reflux. As X enters, the counter for the reflux goes down to 4. Notice that X has 0 points as of now. Now, let's say X's direct partner, Y, enters the reflux. This awards 10 points to X. And let's say Z and A, from any other network, enter the reflux. Now, because of these 3 people entering, the reflux counter goes down to 1. As soon as one more person enters the reflux from anywhere, X, who has the maximum points, will exit with the reward, and enter the second reflux. Now, as any random ID enters the reflux, the counter goes down to 0. X, who has the maximum points, exits with the reward that is 30 BUSD, and enters the second reflux. As you can see, the counter for the second reflux reduces to 4, and X's points are reset to 0. As soon as 5 people will enter the second reflux, the person with the maximum points will exit the second reflux with the reward, and enter the third reflux. In this way, the refluxes keep moving and people keep exiting with the rewards for that reflux. Now, let's talk about serious money with the Prime Reflux. The Prime Reflux runs on the same logics as the standard reflux. The difference is the jaw-dropping rewards that Prime Reflux offers. You can enter Prime Reflux with 600 BUSD and earn the following rewards. Prime Reflux 1, 1,200 BUSD. Prime Reflux 2, 1,500 BUSD. Prime Reflux 3, 2,500 BUSD. Prime Reflux 4, 25,000 BUSD, and last but not the least, Prime Reflux 5 rewards the ID exiting with $750,000. Let's understand the points system, as this will help you move through the refluxes very fast. Your direct partner, when enters the standard reflux, awards you 10 points, and when enters the Prime Reflux, awards you 100 points. Apart from your directs, any person in your network, entering the standard and Prime Refluxes, awards you 1 and 2 points respectively. Your directs help you generate points by exiting the refluxes as well. Exit by your direct from standard reflux gives you 5 points, and exit by your direct from Prime Reflux gives you 50 points. Now, the biggest advantage of entering both refluxes simultaneously is, you get 1 bonus point every day up to 100 points. These points will help you exit the Prime Reflux faster, as these bonus points are awarded in Prime Reflux only. Prime Reflux is all about the community. Every time a person exits the final reflux with the ultimate reward, he or she gives back to the community that helped him on the journey. When a person exits the standard reflux with $30,000, he or she rewards each and every direct partner with $30. And when a person exits the Prime Reflux with $750,000, he or she rewards each and every direct partner with $600. So, let's come together and build a beautiful community during these tough times. Welcome to the Prime Reflux community. Thanks for your time.